Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and welcome to my Pluralsight course Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer Root System Feedback to the Development Teams. Monitoring performance, tracking issues and collecting user feedback is very important when talking about web and mobile applications. That is why it's good to use proper tools to make it easier and efficient. In this course, we'll focus on the two tools, Azure DevOps and Visual Studio App Center. Some of the major topics we will cover include web applications performance and issues monitoring. We will see how to integrate Azure Application Insights to capture metrics and how to display them on dashboard in the Azure DevOps. We will go through client apps health and performance monitoring and see how to use Visual Studio App Center diagnostics and analytics services. You will know how to integrate crashes and analytics SDK in the application source code. We will discover how to develop monitoring and status dashboards with charts and widgets in Azure DevOps to enable teams to share information, status, progress and trends. At the end, we will learn how to implement practices and tools to capture and report user feedback and satisfaction. We will see how to request feedback and collect feedback with test and feedback extension for Azure DevOps. By the end of this course, you will be able to capture application crash data, monitor user engagement, implement dashboards and charts, and work with feedback. I hope you will join me and take the course Microsoft Azure DevOps Engineer Root System Feedback to the Development Teams at Pluralsight.